Good afternoon. My name is Andrew McDonald. I'm a director of Mariel Solar. I'm delighted to be here today to give you a little brief summary of our business in Cuba. Mariel Solar is a British company. We have a 100% owned subsidiary in Cuba. And as you can imagine from the name, we are dedicated to the industry of solar energy. The journey began in the summer of 2019. We were very privileged to have the Prince of Wales with us to lead the groundbreaking ceremony. And as you can see from the pictures, he was cutting the ribbon of the first stone laid in the construction. The total capacity of Mariel Solar is 62 megawatt peaks, and that is split over 3 different sites within the overall Mariel development area. The first site was connected to the grid in August, and it's called Treble. You can see this flyover of the production today, and subsequently the additional sites, Havana Libre, Herradura, have been connected in the last couple of months. Today we are generating 38 megawatts of energy. The last 12 megawatts are currently in the final stages of being connected, and by the end of this month the whole project will have been completed. The construction process was a fairly standard installation. The EPC was a Chinese company. I think the significant element here is that we managed to continue throughout the COVID period. We hardly lost a single day's work. We had many issues with supply chain, with people being able to travel, specific engineers, but still we managed to make the project work. This relied a lot on the great work and help we had from the Mariel government themselves and our client, which is the Union Electrica, or the Electricity Board, that have assisted us throughout the process. An example of this is because we couldn't install the automatic system for running the solar parks, and we couldn't program it, we ended up connecting all the different parks manually, and without the assistance of UNE, we would never have been able to achieve that. And even today we have a group of their people, technicians, working alongside us. The key facts of Mariel Solar. Here you have the overall generation during the course of the year. It's 1,850 hours per year generation, which compares to the sort of highest radiation areas of Europe. It's a single axis tracking system, which means we have higher productivity and is unique. It's the first one in the region. The overall investment was around $60 million US, and there are around 250,000 panels installed. One of the benefits, apart from the lowering of emissions, is that there are big savings in fossil fuels. It's estimated that the combined project will be saving around $18 million in fossil fuels per year. To date, we've calculated since August we've saved around $3 million US for the purchase of fossil fuels. Conclusions. This is one of the biggest solar parks in the region. It's the first time there's been a tracking system, as I mentioned. I think one of the great achievements is the teamwork and the spirit of working together to make this happen throughout the COVID period. When internationally many projects were stopped, we continued throughout. Mariel Solar is producing around 1% of the national grid of Cuba. has increased by about 20% the penetration of renewable energy in the grid. From the foreign point of view of Mariel Ltd, we're very content and we're very appreciative of the collaboration we've all done together to make this happen, with all the obstacles put in our way, especially this year. We are looking forward to doing more projects in the future, and we're delighted to be in the situation we are, which is generating today. Thank you very much.